Mussels in Brussels. A year ago, to this day, I released the first episode of this show. I knew so little. White pepper, I've never heard of the thing. I don't think it exists. I was so young, so naive, so clueless, and hopeless. Anyway, I thought that was kind of interesting considering it's the first day of the second season. I didn't plan it that way. Today, I would like to make something in honor of my new home, the national dish of Belgium, Moules-Frites. Moule meaning mussel, frite meaning fry. Moules-Frites. Learned a new expression today, mise en place. It's French. It means prepare your dishes, your food, before you start cooking. Genius. Let's start with the French fries. So it is your choice whether or not you want to peel these potatoes. I choose to peel them. Now you want to cut the potatoes into a size of your choosing. However you eat your French fries. Not too big, not too small. This is the size I'm going for. We want to wash all the starch off these fries, so have them sit in a bowl of cold water for 20 to 30 minutes. It will make the fries a bit crispier in the end. Now I'm gonna finely chop 2 onions and 2 cloves of garlic. I heard that having a window open while cutting onions helps in avoiding the tears. Well, it just so happens that I have a window right here. The window technique works. No tears. And this, right here, is mise en place. It smells awful. These mussels should be living. If you have a living one and you smack it, it should close. This one may be dead. You see? Now this is slightly disturbing. It is the first time that I've ever cooked anything that is alive, so I can hear them moving around in here. Poor little guys. And take a good hard look at this mussel. You can see that it has a bunch of barnacles on it, and that it has this little piece of, that crap there, which is actually called a beard. What you need to do is debeard the mussel, scrub it of all these barnacles, wash it, you should be good to go. How to debeard it is you just yank on it and it comes off. Bada bing, bada boom. Let's get these under cold water. I find that if I use this knife and get the barnacles off nice and easy. Nice and clean. Quite a number of mussels to get through, so why don't we just hit fast forward and I'll see you in a bit. This is gonna take a while. You don't want to see this or smell this. It's important to remember to throw away any mussels where the shell is damaged or won't close, because that means it's dead. Okay, I rinsed them a couple more times. Many more. I have them in cold water here. I'm gonna put a damp towel over top of them and put them in the fridge until I'm ready to use them. Belgians have their own French fry oil. It's time to make the French fries. What you don't know right now is that I drained the fries, patted them with a paper towel. I've had them sit on this kitchen towel air drying, and they're dry. I gotta heat up the oil so that it's ready for frying. Now I don't have a thermometer. What I do have is a wooden spoon. And if bubbles start to form around the wooden spoon, it means the oil is good to go. Oh, it's good to go. Start adding the fries. I honestly just realized that since this is a new kitchen and everything is new, I don't have the tools that I need to get these fries out of the oil. I have to use something else. I'm so sorry, I have to use this plastic thing because that's all I have. So I'm just gonna let the French fries veg out on these plates for half an hour, and then I will put them back into the oil to actually cook them. It's about to go down. You see, I need to find a way to cook the mussels and fry the French fries at roughly the same time. What I need to do is have it make sense to you and be delicious to me. So for me to get started, what I'm gonna do is turn on both stove tops. One for the cooking oil, one for my mussels. Add a knob of butter, add garlic, add onion. I'm gonna cook this until it softens. In Europe, wine is very affordable. This bottle of white wine was $3, but it has a plastic cap instead of a cork. It's time to cook these guys. I'm so sorry. Gonna add my white wine, roughly 100 milliliters. I'm also gonna add a bouquet of bay leaves, thyme, and parsley. Cover for 2 to 3 minutes until you can see the shells start opening. Cook the French fries for like 2 to 3 minutes. Oh, check out these mussels. Gonna add some spoonfuls of cream. Don't forget mayo for the French fries. Sorry, I gotta cut this one short at the end. I just looked inside a mussel in good lighting. I've completely lost my appetite and I had to take a time out from the kitchen. Haunting. Don't be like me. Don't get curious. Enjoy them, but don't look inside. That's it for me. If you liked this episode, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. That would be awesome. Subscribe for more Anti-Chef, and why don't you comment down below. Say hello, tell me something you'd like to see me make next. The floor is yours. See you soon. Bye.